Okay, as for the first part of my e-portfolio, this is what I've learned about a basic violin. Surprisingly enough, the more money you spend on a violin, the better quality of violin it is. There are three main parts you look at when you're buying a violin: the bridge, the fretboard, and the nut. And when you're looking at a violin and the setup, you need to make sure that the fretboard is in line with the strings, the bridge is upright, and the distance between the fretboard and the strings is small enough that you can easily depress the strings when you're fingering the different notes. Most violins come with inexpensive strings. A good set of strings would be a good investment, and that would be about $20. The violin will also have a tailpiece. The tailpiece should have fine tuners, which are adjustments that allow you to fine tune the violin, because the pegs of the violin are only for coarse tuning and aren't precise enough to give you the fine tuning you'll need on the instrument. After the violin, the next component is the bow. The bow can be wood or carbon composite. One of the things to look at when you're buying a bow or when you're checking a bow for its fitness to use is it needs to have a proper curve or camber, and the hairs need to be in good condition. We have an adjusting nut on the end of the bow. When the bow is out of use, we loosen the tension on the bow so that it will not take the camber out of the bow in storage. When the bow has been tightened, the distance between the hair and the bow shaft should be equal along the way, with a small amount of camber still in the bow. Thank you.